China has just revealed a major advancement in military technology. Footage has emerged of its secret stealth drone, the CCA, flying in formation with a Y-8 transport aircraft. This is not just a random test flight. It's a glimpse into the future of warfare, where manned aircraft and AI-powered drones work together on the battlefield. Let's understand what this drone is, why it matters, and how it could completely change modern air combat. On July 19, 2025, the first ever footage of China's CCA Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, or UCAV, surfaced online. The drone was flying right alongside a Y-8, a Chinese military transport aircraft, in a tight, controlled formation. This suggests that China is testing manned-unmanned teaming, where a human pilot controls or coordinates with one or more AI drones. That level of coordination isn't easy. It requires advanced software, real-time communication, and serious military planning. The CCA, short for Collaborative Combat Aircraft, is a stealth drone designed with a flying wing layout similar to the American B-2 bomber or the upcoming U.S. Loyal Wingman drones. Its design minimizes radar detection. It has no tail, flat angles, internal weapon bays, and likely top-mounted engines for heat signature reduction. The purpose? To act as a loyal wingman, flying alongside fighter jets, collecting data, jamming enemy signals, or even attacking targets without risking a pilot's life. You might wonder, why test it with a slow transport aircraft like the Y-8 instead of a fighter jet? Well, this is a coordinated systems test, not a speed or agility demo. The Y-8 likely acts as a command and control hub, simulating how future aircraft could direct multiple drones simultaneously. This opens the door to future swarm operations, where one manned aircraft controls dozens of drones for surveillance, electronic warfare, or targeted strikes. This is not China's only stealth drone. They already have the GJ-11 Sharpsword, the Skyhawk, and now the CCA. Together, these drones cover a wide range of missions, from reconnaissance to deep strike. China is clearly preparing for a future where drones are not just support systems, but core parts of the combat team. Imagine a scenario where a single fighter jet enters enemy airspace, supported by 3 or 4 autonomous stealth drones, each attacking, jamming, or scouting in different directions. That's the level of air dominance China is aiming for, and this test flight shows they're getting closer. Let's be clear. China is not alone in this. The U.S. is developing similar systems under its own CCA program. Australia has the Ghost Bat. But what's worrying the West is how fast China is moving. They're not just designing these drones. They're flying them, testing them, and integrating them with real aircraft. This new footage is proof that China is pushing ahead in the global drone arms race. And it's no longer just a theoretical concept. The era of unmanned stealth warfare is no longer the future. It's here.